What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Duck Dog from back with another video showing y'all how to break down and reassemble the micro Draco. First thing you want to do is take the clip out, make sure no round there, and the release is right here. Make sure there ain't no round there. First thing you're gonna do, next thing you're gonna do, see this button right here, you're gonna push it in, take this part off, and then do it again, push it up, take the spring out, and take this next little piece out in the back. Make sure you don't lose nothing. Take this slide all the way back, pop it off like that, and then you're gonna take this little piece right here, boom, there you go. All the pieces, you can grease it up when you're cleaning it. Grease it up, grease all the little slides, pieces. Grease the little sides, all that. I just cleaned it not too long ago. You can get the cleaning supplies, the grease and stuff from any hardware stores that you probably got the firearm from. You know. Okay, time to reassemble it. Now with this, I had a hard time figuring out how to put it back in, but I realized it's like you're gonna bring it out, you're gonna let it hook onto something right here, right about there. Let it hook, boom. Make sure you do it right. Make sure you always have it put back right. You don't want to fuck around, shoot your damn hand off. Slide that back on. Always put this part back on next. Please don't forget. When I had got it stuck, I put the spring back on first, and then got stuck in the inside. So always remember to put this piece back on. Very important. Excuse me. Boom. Next is the spring. Yeah. Boom. Make sure you put the top piece back on. This little piece right there, you slide it up in there. Then you just slap back on. There you have it. There you go. Micro Draco.